Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Science in Life. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. You can learn a subject in an easy way and a funny way with new slides and new innovation technologies. So for this, I need your support. So please do like, comment and share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the post notifications about my video. So guys, before going into the video, I would like to conduct a quiz. So the quiz in the sense, just I'll announce the winners in the next video. So the quiz question is nothing but I want a curd formation. I got a curd formation naturally without adding a curd into a lukewarm milk. How the curd is formed? I repeat the question. How the curd is formed without adding a curd into a lukewarm milk. Winners are announced in the next video. So let's begin the video. So today in this video we are going to learn about the class 10th subject, that is respiration, that is the energy producing system. So this is the topic we are going to learn today, the energy producing system. So in this video we are going to learn about what is respiration, what is cellular respiration, in that types of respiration. In types of respiration we have aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and for aerobic respiration we do have an equation, and anaerobic respiration also we do have an equation. Okay, so before going to start the video, so first topic we're gonna learn about respiration. So in this respiration, first I'll explain the respiration in the bookish language. Okay, respiration is a biochemical process that takes place in the cells of living organism. It involves the transfer of oxygen from the environment to the cells within the tissues and removal of carbon dioxide in the opposite direction. So this bit, it is a bit confusing in the bookish language. So in the easiest way, in the easiest language, it is called, the respiration is nothing but the process of inhaling and exhaling is called as a respiration. What is inhaling? What is exhaling? Inhaling in the sense we are taking the oxygen from trees and plants, and we are exhaling the carbon dioxide, right? So in the same way they are saying what is a respiration. So now let us look into a brief. Respiration is a biochemical process that takes place in the cells of living organisms. As I said, it will take in the living organism. We are the human, we are a living organism. Even animal is a living organism. It is a process, it is a biochemical process. That means it is a process which take compulsory, that is called as biochemical process, which involves the transfer of oxygen from the environment, cells within the tissues, and removal of the carbon dioxide. That's what I said, like inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of the carbon dioxide, but is in the opposite direction. So in this you can see like a image of carbon cycle, how it has been formed, like how the inhaling and exhaling process has been done. Okay, in the next slide we'll learn about what is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. So cellular respiration is a process that occurs in the cells of all living organisms to convert chemical energy from food into ATP. Okay, chemical energy. Food will give us energy. That energy is being transferred, like it has like ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. That is nothing but ATP, which contains energy. If we eat food only, we'll get energy, right? So to getting that energy after eating food, the chemical process has been started and converts to ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, which is nothing but which contains energy. Okay, what are the inputs and what are the outputs for that? Input is like glucose and oxygen. Glucose is nothing but a food and oxygen is nothing but what we exhale. Outputs is nothing but carbon dioxide, water what we take, and energy, that is ATP. In the form of energy only we get, in the form of energy we can show what we are, right? So in this slide you can see a bookish language what they are exactly gonna explain here. Cellular respiration is a process that all living organisms use to unlock the energy to the stored to their food as chemical energy. Okay. So in the next slide we are going to learn about the types of respiration. One is aerobic respiration, one is anaerobic respiration. In this slide we will learn about aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. This type of respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen and is the most common type of respiration in the plants and animals. They produce energy from food and the end of the products are water and carbon dioxide. What has been said in the previous slide, nothing but cellular respiration only they are saying in the aerobic respiration. It will take place in aerobic respiration takes place in plants and animals to provide the energy in form of food, and at the end it provides water and carbon dioxide. Okay. Here in this diagram you can just go through the diagram. Here it is like glucose, glycose and pyruvate. This is cytoplasm and this is mitochondria. In anaerobic it is without oxygen. Aerobic is oxygen. Okay. Fermentation, aerobic respiration, lactic and carbon dioxide. In aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Okay, if you have any doubts you can just ask me in the comment section. So let us go for the anaerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration. In this slide we can know about the term anaerobic stands for the absence of air as or free oxygen. According to anaerobic respiration, it's a type of cellular respiration, okay, which I have been said you before, right? In which stored energy of glucose get converted into biochemical energy, that is ATP, without free oxygen. Many microorganisms rely in this process to produce energy when there is a lack of oxygen. Okay, these include prokaryotes like bacteria and archaea and eukaryotes, such as plants and animals, and many microorganisms use nitrate, that is NO3, and sulfate is SO4 as electron acceptors and reduce in nitrate, that is nitrate is nothing but NO2, and hydrogen sulfate nothing but H2S respectively. Okay, and in the next slide you can find about what is aerobic respiration exclusively occurs in the cell cytoplasm. So this is an aerobic respiration diagram, that is glucose and fermentation. In the previous also I have showed you the diagram, how does it looks like. So now what is cell cytoplasm? This is a diagram of cell cytoplasm. This outer layer is called as cell and this is a nucleus, and the thicker part is known as the cytoplasm. Now a jelly-like material in a cell, the jelly-like material which is in the cell, this is called as a cytoplasm. Okay, next in the next video we can the next slide we can watch the anaerobic respiration equation and aerobic respiration equation. In this aerobic respiration we have like two types, that is lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation. In this we have like a equation how it exactly forms. Okay, for this we need some knowledge on chemistry also, right? So to understand this we have a clear cut, that is C6H12O6. C is glucose, H is like hydrogen, O for oxygen, that is nothing but C6. C has 6 molecules, H has 12 molecules, O has 6 molecules, which converts into a glucose, that is lactate dehydrogenase, and next it converts to 2C3H6O3, that is nothing but a lactic acid plus energy. So this is a form of anaerobic respiration in the lactic acid fermentation. Now next, anaerobic respiration equation in alcoholic fermentation. In this also the first process will be same, but here we have some changes. Like first it will be converted into the glucose only, then alcohol, diogenase, then ethanol like 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2, that is carbon dioxide, plus energy. So this is in the form of alcoholic fermentation. And next is like aerobic respiration equation. Now in the anaerobic and aerobic, we have a common point is like glucose, oxygen and carbon dioxide, right? Oxygen is a part of one thing in the glucose. So but whereas in aerobic respiration it has a different parts like glucose, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, which converts to energy. That is, if you take a glucose is nothing but food, then oxygen inhaling, carbon dioxide exhaling, water, combining of these three, food, water, you will be forming an energy, that is nothing but ATP. So this formula contains like it goes for formula as C6H12O6, which is nothing but glucose plus 6O2 oxygen plus 6O2 as carbon dioxide plus 6H2O, that is water, plus ATP is an energy. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe